Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by getting both devices ready and starting the sync now. First, make sure Wi-Fi or a reliable cellular signal is active. Unstable networks break transfers. Next, sign into the same account on each device and confirm two-step verification if enabled so permissions match. Once done, open the app settings and select sync or account, then grant storage, contacts, or background refresh permissions. Doing these steps first prevents interruptions and lets the transfer proceed smoothly. You're now in the thick of the process. This is where accuracy matters. Choose exactly what to sync, app data, media, or settings, and use selective sync to control storage. Then initiate the sync, watch the progress bar and estimated time, and keep the app foregrounded if the OS pauses background activity. If conflicts appear, decide whether to keep the device copy or the cloud copy, and use timestamps to judge the most recent version. These steps ensure consistency across devices. Finish by verifying the results. Open the synced app on the target device and check core items to confirm completion. If settings or data aren't applied, restart the app or the device and then rerun the sync. This often forces pending changes to apply. Make sure to free enough storage if the transfer failed. If problems persist, check network, account sign-in, and app permissions. Clear the app cache and retry once. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.